Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Edge versus the Kia Sportage to help you decide which is better for your needs. We'll look at their key differences in size, performance, and overall value. The Edge offers a spacious interior and powerful engine options, while the Sportage stands out with its sleek design and impressive fuel economy. Let's dive into the specifics to see which SUV aligns best with your lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Ford Edge often boasts more robust engine choices, including a powerful V6, providing quicker acceleration and confident highway passing. The Kia Sportage, however, excels in fuel efficiency, particularly with its available hybrid powertrains, saving you money at the pump. The Edge offers a very smooth and quiet ride, perfect for long journeys, while the Sportage feels more nimble and responsive in urban environments. Inside, the Ford Edge offers a more expansive cabin with greater cargo capacity and generous legroom for all passengers. The Kia Sportage counters with a strikingly modern interior design, often featuring a sleek, integrated dual-screen display. Both vehicles come equipped with advanced infotainment systems, including seamless smartphone integration and a suite of driver assistance features for enhanced safety. The Edge prioritizes spacious comfort, while the Sportage focuses on contemporary aesthetics and tech. Regarding value, the Kia Sportage typically offers a more attractive starting price and often includes a superior warranty, giving you greater long-term assurance. The Ford Edge, while potentially costing more upfront, delivers a larger vehicle with more powerful engine options. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize spaciousness and raw power or fuel efficiency and cutting-edge design. Don't forget to check the description for a fantastic book on personal finance and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.